Come, my man, come and stand here. Did you hear what they say in Ekiti State? Where are you from? Which state are you from? Katsina. Kedan Katsina ne? Kaji abin da aka faɗa aka ce wai za a yi wani kissing competition a Ekiti State. Governor ya ce kar a yi. The governor said they should not do. You heard it? How can people kiss online? Is it good? Can you kiss online? You say yes, you can kiss online. Don't kiss online, oh. This Guinness World Record book, if they don't tear it in this Nigeria, they will not rest. If they don't tear it in this our country, if that book did not tear in Nigeria, wallah, you know my name is Normal and Shaibu. They will not rest in this country. That is how we are in this country, oh. In this Nigeria. If one person starts something, everybody want to do that thing. If one person starts to sell yam, everybody will start selling yam. If one person starts to sell car, everybody will start selling car. If one girl now stand up and say she's selling bedsheet, every girl in Nigeria want to be a bedsheet seller. If one girl starts online shopping, every girl in Nigeria is an online shopper. If one person starts to sell food, everybody is selling food. That is how we are in this country. Anything that comes here, finish. They scatter it. Yes. Even if they bring a car from another country as second hand to Nigeria, the car will not make it out of here, even as fifth hand. We'll finish it here. So if they don't rest in this Guinness World Record, whatever, they will not rest. The one that even pay me is the one I see. Thank God, I thank you, the governor of Ekiti State, for banning that nonsense Guinness record, whatever that boy want to do. One girl come out first. She say her name is Hilda Bachi. We agree. That is the one we know. She says she can cook. After she come out and say she can cook, over how many girls come out and say they can do? This one say I can do 150 hours. This one say I can do 250 hours. This one say I can do 1,000 hours. That is how that chef Dami, that slim girl that don't have meat in her body, you want to cook, stand and cook for. I don't understand the way she is even dancing like one frog. That one finish. Another chef come in Calabar, he say he want to do this. Another one from Lagos come. Another chef come from this side. Everybody said they want to cook. Now, we finish from that one. Somebody start again and say she will do massage. For how many hours you want to be pressing somebody's body? You be pressing for hours. Even if you are machine, you will tire. You see that massage chair that you used to sit down in the chair and the thing will massage you. There is a way you use that machine. That machine will become hot. Very hot. You have to up it. Then you say you want to massage for how many hours? She pent now. She pent. You are putting yourself in trouble. You are putting yourself in trouble. Okay, we are not even done with that lady. One guy just come from Ekiti State. I don't know, Yoruba, if they don't scatter this book, they will not rest. The man just come and say he want to do kissing competition. The governor say, Kai, you want to kiss for how many hours? What's wrong with all these people in this country? What is even wrong? You come and you say you want to do kissing. Come, did you hear, my man? Did you hear what they say? Come now. Maybe he had, let me let him know, because maybe he didn't hear. Let me tell him so that he will be aware and tell me if it's right or wrong. Come, my man, come and stand here. Did you hear what they say in Ekiti State? Where are you from? Which state are you from? Katsina. Kedan Katsina ne? Kaji abin da aka faɗa aka ce wai za a yi wani kissing competition a Ekiti State. Governor ya ce kar a yi. The governor said they should not do. You heard it? How can people kiss online? Is it good? Can you kiss online? You say yes, you can kiss online. Don't kiss online, oh. Thank you, my man. Thank you. You see? Most people don't know. That's why I'm doing it. so you can see what is happening. You need to share the video so that others can even see. How can you come out and say you want to kiss for 72 hours? Chum by kiss for 72 hours. You how about that, Allah kai? The governor said, don't try it. The governor said, kai, don't do that nonsense. Allah, please, I'm doing this video. Guinness book, Guinness, how they even call them? Guinness World Record has asked me to do a video and beg Nigerians that please, before you want to compete for Guinness World Record, first of all, you have to apply. How you just wake up one day, you say you want to cook, you want to do this, you want to massage, you want to kiss. You have to apply. Apply first, let them approve your application. If they approve your application, then you can go ahead and start. Don't just wake up one morning and say you want to start doing this, start doing that, Guinness World Record. I'm tired of that thing. Allah, please, Nigerians, I'm begging you on behalf of Guinness. The book is saying, please, no more space. We have limited space in the book. Please. Allah, please. Please. Because if people make me best, I'll say I want to talk. One girl come and say she want to do live video, longest live video. Don't open key. Without hard work, we will not stay and be listening to your live. Okay. Who are you? These people are playing with us. Allah, please, Nigerians, leave the book alone. Leave the book alone. Most of us did not know. That's why I'm telling us now, so that we can be aware. And say no. Allow the book to rest. Even as I'm trying to say it is wrong to come and kiss online 72 hours, to come and yeah. Some people will still watch this video and say, this Mala Shaibu, I'm a boy. Who asked you? You don't have sense. I agree. Have you ever seen me claim that I have sense? Have I claimed before that I have sense? No, I have not claimed. I don't have sense. But I'm the spice creator. This is me. This is who I am. You have to Google me if you like. Don't Google me, that is your business.